Unfortunately, 12 to ang painay ang no polling agent ang dahil kalaman ulo some miscreants ng kawas agawo so which jung to against so pura namun to against no ang to against no violent free and fair election mak salai mani they ani opposite candidate was agano so kana bu counting utong ba tawan sino best wishes kana no.
Thank you, all the best.
Okay. Amun no chin koimong let it be free fair election and say no to violence all the time. Pre-polling to post-polling to violence is not going to bring any solution. So you can see us also. Tomorrow I congratulated him for his candidate also and all the best to Andara Singh.
Very unfortunately, near 5:50 no notification nangu. Ang cover month almost 6 PM ngi thangka. Reason actually kawama reasons reject tunga jagao. However, ani workers of phone facing that for kuno violence dan thangka. Boro sada yes unga. However, abo polling payment yagulo sini sahoro hai boro. And the ungai money kita misa abo that has nothing to do with the polling. Anyway, the polling in order to get to after the month like no. But Mia tunga notification dia way 13 tarik 14 tarik or at least 15 tarik me fungopo dikhangai cha khamu akok sane mani. However, tiri to kaham ke polling toli togo. My brother is also here, and as he said, congratulations result mo, ang mo result mo na. Tabu deng na tangi thangka, sun together. Appeal kaya na mo sungo. 11 Moharani po Telamura constituency ni public rosmiya, ente tiprahani. Kana election ng counting ng applying ng chain ng, aba part of election. So kaya kaisa violence start kaya after all so tiprasa be tiprasa masa tiprasa buzak kan nang sablo buzak sini borno buzak masa tiprasa nok mus hokzak kan gai tamnani tin borok di nok hokzak bule so apron tis and tamnani hasal kai tonga nang na bani bagi abunani koimong tonai sini mo constituency ni simia ente tiprahani constituency. And ang mobo koine hisi sini opposition nungtung, nungtung, non ADC ni boro no tuya tong hichau because faith deficit ng dakta wasi ni boro ni bisingo. Main problem jeng lai man ka faith deficit ose. Ang nugza kai te kabang ma gana ginyo boro rungsa klai bosa laija sengkan he tangai. To bijas thangmaya mamang hino hisi. So I think faith is built hand in hand. Immediately, it will take time, but definitely, some more constituencies. And I'll tell you one thing: I believe in more constituency, constituency, not just against BJP, CPM against IPF against Congress against ideology issue right? Yes. So semua message dan imusungu, orang sini enter tiprahon mau hacking nanti.